Hello friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and one request, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon, because this is the channel where you can get only Excel formulas video. There is near about 200 videos, and we are targeting to upload at least 300 videos till December. So please subscribe this channel. And today formula is I7 formula. This is very basic but very useful, and I'm telling you, this kind of formula is nobody going to tell you. So if you see in column E, I mentioned some number, and column F, I'm trying to find out that number is even or not. So through this formula, you can easily able to find out if number is even or odd. So odd numbers will show as false, and all the even numbers result will be true, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Basically, HR department use this formula very much to find out through employee ID to check how many even number employee ID they have, how many odd number employee ID they have. So this is very unique formula, but very helpful. And to be very frank, so here is a use of formula. This formula helps to find out number is even or not. So if number is even, then result will be true. If odd, result will be false. So second result will be true if number is even. Already mentioned that. Third formula is not able to check the decimal value and date. That means if any cell, if there is any decimal value like 2.33, 3.44, so this formula not able to recognize the decimal value. And if there is any date, so you'll not be able to use this formula to check the date is format or date is even or odd. Formula meaning I7 formula to check number is even or not. So I would request you to go ahead and use this formula right away, so that you'll be able to increase your Excel knowledge. Is any formatting required? No guys, no formatting is required, and you can use this formula in any version of Excel. This is very basic but very useful. So please subscribe this channel, because we have near about 200 different videos for only Excel formula. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great future. Improve your Excel skills, and complete details available in description box. Thank you so much guys.